Good evening po, sir. This is my final exam portfolio, Animal Production Swine in Situ, prepared by Cedric Kent M. Yago, BTVT Ed, FV3A. Table of Content, Training Needs Analysis, TNA Form, Training Plan, Training Facilities and Tools, Training Record Book, Trainees, Progress, Chart, Training Vision Evaluation, Analysis of Program, Evaluation Form. Introduction. Animal Production Swine in Situ focuses on skill development and swine breeding, feeding, and management. These documents, 10A form, training plan, and training record book serve as a comprehensive record of the training process, ensuring competency-based learning. TNA 1.1 Conduct initial assessment of trainees, includes demographics, education level, and learning style. Identifies readiness and potential training needs. TNA 1.2 compares required versus current competencies, reveals specific skill gaps, provide basis for designing the training program. TNA 1.3 lists learning outcomes and corresponding modules, connects competency gaps to training activities, ensures outcome-based learning and assessment. Training plan outlines training requirements, activities, and modes, specific assessment method and tools used, ensures all competencies are covered and according to tested standards. Training facilities and tools outlines training requirements, activities, and modes, specific assessment method and tools used, ensure all competencies are covered according to tested standards. Training record book record trains task accomplishment and supervisor feedback. Serve as a performs evidence during supervised training. Promotes accountability and instructor learning progress. Training progress chart. Outline training requirements, activities, and modes. Specific assessment method and tools used ensure all competencies are covered according to TESDA standard. Training session evaluation. Your training session evaluation feedback is the process of collecting and analyzing participant opinions to improve training program it takes. Analysis of program evaluation form. You'll begin with quantitative analysis of numerical data like ratings and percentage. Conclusion. This document forms a complete wall of training management form needs assessment to actual competency validation. They prepare trainees to meet industry standards and animal production swine in situ and ensure they are work-ready professionals. Thank you.